Hey everyone, Miss Ashley here, and today we are going to draw a cute little crab. All right, let's get started. Let's start with our crab's body. Now I'm going to start near the bottom of my paper, and our crab has kind of an oval shaped body. All right, and next we're going to draw the claws. So I'm going to start over here on the left side, kind of near the top, and we're going to draw a curved line going in, and another curved line going in. And then start here, we're going to draw a curved line going up, and then another one going up. And we're going to leave this part open because we're going to draw zigzag lines to right about there, and then zigzag lines to connect it. And that's our crab's claw. All right, and let's do that on the other side. So start right about here, a short curved line, and another one. And now we're going to draw the big curve, and another big curve, and then our zigzag. Perfect. Next, let's draw our crab's eyes. So I'm going to start here at the top of my crab. So right here's the center. I'm going to go just a little left of the center and draw a line. And then we're going to draw a circle at the top of our line. And that's going to be like the crab's eyeball. And we can draw a smaller circle on the inside. Perfect. And we can give our crab a little smile. All right, next let's draw the legs. So I'm going to start over here on the left side. We're going to draw a line that goes out and then curves back in. So out, and then curve back in, out, and curve back in. So we're going to have 3 legs on this side, and let's draw 3 legs on the other side. And one more little leg. All right, I think that looks great. Now let's color. Our drawing looks fantastic. Now pause the video if you need to finish coloring. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for drawing with me. Have a great day.